AMAC is an Apple premium reseller in the Netherlands with 47 stores all over the country. We have, of course, the retail shops where we sell Apple and Apple-related accessories. Next to that, we have an online portal for the consumers, an online web shop, together with a B2B platform, multiple platforms even, where we have a dedicated sales team as well. We needed a tool to give our customers the same experience which we are giving in-store as an online experience. And for that, we are using our current web portal and ERP system, but we found out that is not sufficient to the future to manage your product data in the right way. Starting with a system like Inriver is to centralize the data, to have one single source of truth, using that data towards all our different systems. The main reason for choosing Inriver is the user friendliness of the system. It's quite easy to use, it's very easy to read, but also managing the product information data in a very convenient way, using different functionalities in the system. And even though some of the functionalities are rather new, we are already using them, like the table grid overview, where you can easily, for example, implement the compatibility of our product accessories with the iPhone. When we are releasing a new product from Apple, the announcement the consumer will see on the keynote is normally also the moment we are receiving information from Apple. From that moment on, we need to implement that in our systems. That takes quite a lot of time, and before having Inriver in place, it took us, not only for Apple but also the related accessories, up to 3 weeks to implement all the right product information, compatibility and so on, to give the right presentation of the product in our shops but also online. Having Inriver now in place, it will save us a lot of time, where we reduce our implementation time for new products roughly with 50%. Where AMAC wants to grow enormously in the range of products, you need an Inriver system, a PIM system, which is capable to grow with you, with the company. It's definitely worth doing.